You can very well see that in previous videos there was thousands of birds being housed in this tree. This tree has been, this area has been even can fit to be called as a natural bird sanctuary like that. Now these officials have never mind to listen to golden words of anyone at public interest, but doing devastating damages and cutting all these trees. You can hear that they're using machine to cut the trees down. See how it is cut. You can very well refer to the earlier video that this tree has been housing so many thousands of birds. And if you go and look at there, it is actually going to get burnt into ashes. So that if anyone goes and sees there, like in next 4 or 5 days, they can very well see thousands of birds being fried in the fire. Small birds and offsprings, young ones. Not one or two, in thousands. Such kind of devastating damages they are doing to the environment. Now see this, there's only one bird. Probably would have lost its offsprings. Now where will these thousands of birds go? Who will answer for this question?